In this video, you'll learn how to automate content creation using n8n. By the end of this guide, you will understand how to navigate through the platform and utilize templates effectively for your content needs. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the n8n workflows page. You can do this by entering the URL directly into the address bar. Once the page loads, you should see a dashboard that displays various options related to workflows. Next, locate and click on the option labeled Templates on the left side of the screen. This action will display a new page where you can explore a variety of workflow templates that n8n offers, specifically designed to simplify automation tasks. After that, look for the section titled Featured Marketing Templates. Clicking on this will take you to a curated list of templates focused on marketing, allowing you to choose from several pre-built workflows that can enhance your content creation process. Once this page is loaded, find and select the category labeled Content Creation. This section will present you with templates specifically aimed at generating content, streamlining your workflow and saving you time in your content production efforts. Now click on one of the templates that interests you. This selection will redirect you to a detailed view of that specific template, providing insights into its functionality and how it can be utilized within your projects. Next, locate the button that says Use for Free. Clicking on this will allow you to start using the template without any cost, making it easier for you to implement it into your workflow immediately. Following this, click on the option labeled Import Template to Own Workspace. This action will save the selected template into your personal workspace, where you can customize and modify it according to your specific requirements. You have now successfully imported a content creation template into your n8n workspace. From here, you can adjust the settings and parameters to suit your needs, enabling you to automate your content creation process effectively. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.